Hello guys, I'm Andrei, a certified translator and a real estate concierge. My company has been relocating people to Belarus over the last 5 years quite successfully. And today we're summarizing a quick guide for those who wish to get residency based on a student visa. As you know from the previous videos, we are an official partner visa agent for the Linguistic University of Minsk, the full official name over here. I graduated from this same place with a different name, so I'm still accommodating the new name. And let's see how one may become a student for the Russian language course with the Belarus State University of Foreign Languages. Recently these were Americans, Australians, a couple of Canadians, so here we are. You're sitting in the States. We have a word with you about the details of your move. I'll enlighten you about the prices, about the terms, deadlines, and things like that. The university will ask you for a form, which is a one-page form, easy to fill, estimating your language level, seeing which group you can fit into, and they will write back confirming yes or no, or such, let's say, later dates or something like this. Then the duration, max is 12 months, it's about $3,000. And the residency, therefore, will be issued for the duration of the course. You apply for a visa. They take 4 weeks to generate an invitation, give or take. And that's when you're applying in your home country. Let's say in the US, you're posting your papers to Washington by mail. And then you get your student visa, which is about 30 to 60 days. Max it can be 90 days, but they normally don't do it. So let's say you have a 30-day student visa, and then you are ready for a trip. Two requirements out here: your diploma, your certificate, your whatever college education proof has to be scanned and sent over. There doesn't have to be any translation or anything, and it just works to apply like this. Second thing, they will ask you to pass an HIV test, and obviously with a negative result. Again, there are several types of that test. You take any test which just says negative, and then you are good to go. And then you apply for that visa. Invitation is scanned and emailed to you. Mostly we're working with Canada, Australia, all sorts of migration risk-free countries, so that's just a scan emailed to you and not posted. It takes a week to apply for a visa. Normal processing time by the embassy is 5 days. Sometimes recently they require prior booking, prior appointment booked by email, and they're not really fast responding guys when it comes to emails. So see which policy applies to your home country, Belarus embassy in your home country, or if there is none, we may simply plan it to happen at the Minsk airport. Minsk National Airport has a consulate, so the visa support documents are ready there, and on the application day, the university rep is there for a little extra fee, and you get your visa, and that's it. Upon arrival here, you basically get an apartment for your 9 months, 12 months, whatever. It may take a week to sort out the contract, and there are little challenges related to the process, which I have relayed in my video about finding a rent in Minsk. Maybe we'll shoot another one soon about the hardships of the foreigners looking for a long-term rent in town. And after you have that flat, you can get registered, and after you get registered, you can apply for the residency. And basically the ending part of our role here, of our company, doing the visa support for you, is to get you into the faculty room, into the office, introducing, copying the documents and everything, assisting you with the notarized passport translation. If you remember, I'm an official translator for the English language here. English to Russian, English to Belarusian, and backwards. And with those, we see you in a couple more rooms out there, oversee your payment, which confirmation you get into the office, and here we are. You sign the contract and apply for the residency based on that contract, by which time you have, like we said, your flat, your registration in that flat, a 1-year insurance policy, and basically that's it. The 1-year contract, if it's 12 months you're looking for. There can be different durations, different levels, so message me for a consultancy, which is a paid service, of course. Direct contacts are here and under the video, and we will work something out in your case. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. Hope to see you in town at some point, and cheers from Minsk. See you later. A quick afterthought. The Linguistic University here by Victory Square, the former Minsk Linguistic, is offering pretty high prices. Maybe we'll consider getting some of their competition into our partnership, and we'll have a more diverse range of offers for the Russian language courses. While the Linguistic University may be a bit bureaucratic, they have a load of groups, so getting yourself an appropriate level of a group is not a problem with them. So they have their pros, they have their cons, like anyone else. Cheers.